Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1945 sum of digits after string convert, and in this we'll be given a string s consisting of lowercase English letters and an integer k. First we have to convert s into an integer by replacing each character with its position in the alphabet, that is replace a with 1, b with 2 and so on up to z with 26, and then transform the integer by replacing it with the sum of digits, and we have to repeat the transform operations k times in total. For example, if s is equal to zbax and k is 2, then the resulting integer would be 8 by the following operations, because zbax will be firstly converted into 26 to 1 and then 24, so that will be something like this number. So after the first transformation, we'll be adding the 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, so that will be given 17. Now k, our k becomes 2. So now we have to perform the second operation. We have to basically add that number again, so 1 plus 7 so on to 8. Okay, so this is what we have to do. I hope you like. For example, in this we are having I four times, and I is the ninth character, so and k is 1, so just we need to convert it into 999, and just we have to return the sum 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, so that will sum up to 36. If it would have been 5, so if it k would have been 2, we have to add 36 again, so that will sum up to 9. Okay, so firstly it's form the a number by using a string builder. Let's call it initially sb equal to new string builder, uh, because the operations will be fast. So now let's for char chns dot to character array. Okay, what we'll be doing is we'll be doing sb dot append ch minus a plus 1, because we need it according to the one base and next thing. Okay, now after that we need to convert it into a string. Let's say num that is will be equal to sb dot to string initially, and then let's have a variable that is answer. That is initially we can leave it just to not initialize as well. Oh no, but it can cause an error. Okay, so now while k minus minus is greater than 0, we need to sum all the numbers of the num. So let's have a variable current that is equal to 0 initially, then while uh, okay, we not do not need a while, that for num mm, for char ch in num dot okay, yeah, for char ch in num dot to character array, what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my current with ch minus a. Okay, and now what I'll have to basically, oh, I guess it shown it should be ch minus 0, because here I'll be having num, basically num. Then what I'll have to do is eventually I'll be updating my answer as current, and also I'll be updating my number by plus current, so just a string concatenation, and at the end I'll be returning my answer. Now let's give it a run. Okay, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it gets accepted as well, and it works very fine. Okay, so this is what I did. Thank you for watching.